What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be getting into probably the next SB Dunk Low release that we got right here. This is going to be the Escargot SB Dunk Low dinner plate SBs, whatever you want to call them. As you guys can see, pretty nice details on this Dunk Low right here. And again, you know, we got the normal puffy tongue, all that with it. I'll get into showing you guys again these up close. You can check out my earlier review from like a month or so ago, I think. Same pair right here basically. But yeah, we'll get into it. This is just gonna be my personal one. And yeah, we got a lot going on with these. Just gonna be a normal purple box pair. I'll get into discussing kind of my resale prediction SB. I think it'll be similar to just a regular GR pair. This is not a collaboration with anybody, so just keep that in mind. But let's get into it. If you guys want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 200 likes on this video. Normal goal we always shoot for. Just lets me know that, again, you guys are looking for more in-hand reviews or kind of early predictions like this. And don't forget, check out my Instagrams down below. Always buying, selling, and trading here. Hopefully I've been getting back to most of you guys recently. If I'm missing a DM or two, let me know. Again, just shoot me another message. I should see it. Also post, like, again, a lot of content here, so stay in the loop. Feel free. Also, don't forget to check us out down below at Resell Vision Group. You guys can see some of the deals we're doing this week. We're doing some unreleased pairs of this Escargot SB OGO with everything. You guys can see some of those we've done. Again, just some people winning them on the screen. It's more or less what I meant to say right there. So if you want to get deals, you want to start sourcing more for less, get some good deals, make sure you guys check us out down below and get in so you guys don't miss out on some of that stuff. Again, you can join right here, get access. There's no wait list or anything, and you can start sourcing more pairs. Or again, get your unreleased pair of Escargot SBs when into market price. We got you. So hope to see you guys there if you want your Escargots or, you know, some of the other stuff that we do every single week for you guys under market price. We did some Grateful Deads last week. We got more coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. But as you guys can see, the back door has started opening up. Now, it's not as much really the back door as it is that, hey, these have actually released over in Asia first. So, you know, Asia has kind of formed the market for this sneaker, you know, to start out. So as you get to see, bigger sizes are going for more, smaller sizes are going for less. Very, very simple, unless it's like a 6 or 6.5. Those are very, very limited, and you guys can see there's not a lot of those. Actually, no sales have even happened at those prices. And the one that's happened at 625 or at 6.5 is at $124. So you know what I mean? It's just like there isn't a lot of money in those really small sizes. However, if you get some of the larger ones, you're getting a good flip. And if you get these early, again, shout out Resell Vision, you guys make sure you get in there down below. Yeah, this is a good flip. I mean, this would definitely be one that you could sell locally, I'm sure, for a higher profit than apps, because most people, again, are going to just want to, you know, wear that pair early, get it, you know, before most people would have it. So I could understand why someone would pay a little bit higher for that. But this is also just a nice pair up close. Like, I'm rocking with the laces we got with these. Again, I like the choice of material they chose to use, kind of this like dark brown suede, and I don't know what this green material is, but it's different. You know what I mean? Kind of like a hairy suede material almost. Not really suede, but you feel it and you're like, man, these are it's not something I've really seen before. And of course, the dinner plate right there on the insoles. Maybe you guys can see that. It says Nike SB right there on the plate. So kind of another cool detail. And of course, the little design we got back here by the heel. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick little glimpse at these, if it'll focus on the heel portion. There we go. So maybe you guys can see that. That took a second, but that is what it looks like by the heel right there. And overall, just around the sneaker. And here the sole's kind of that speckled design right there. Kind of funky. So let me know how y'all are feeling about that right there. Again, some a little different. I'm rocking with it. So it's a GR pair again, not a collab, nothing too crazy. But my resale prediction for these, honestly, I see these probably flipping around to start out 130, 160 bucks, and they'll age well over time. It's a very wearable sneaker, not to mention it's something a little bit different. So something like this I can see again in the bigger sizes being worth a lot more down the line. But I'm talking long term. This is one I can compare it to early on. I think we'll do very, very similar to the Big Money Savings SB Dunk Low. Why is a 5.5 going for that? That is, nobody has size 5.5 in this. That's insane. Yeah, nobody's going to pay $2,000, but 189 is even crazy for these. So looks like some of the really small sizes, 6, 6.5, those might be pretty limited. Might not be a bad buy if you get them for retail. Again, this is that type of sneaker where if you can get it for retail or under retail, that's what we're doing in Resell Vision. Shout out there, doing those size 9s at like 120 right now. So yeah, I mean, if you're able to get a really good deal on this sneaker and, you know, make the flip on it, it's worth copping, you know what I mean? But it's not one I would expect to make a crazy profit off, because again, I think it's going to do similar numbers to this SB Dunk Low right here. But you can see some sizes are doing really well. So for reference, maybe look at, you know, some of these sizes, like 11 does well, you know, 6 ain't doing bad, 9.5, like, you know, maybe look for reference. Those are the types of sizes, you know, to maybe look out for, because even right now, those are the ones that are doing really well. So I would just, you know, kind of pay attention to that. Other than 9.5, that ain't doing great, but you know, that'll recover with time, and you know, within the next couple weeks, because the U.S. release is still a bit away. I know this is probably going to be the next SB Dunk Low that we see within the USA. We also got kind of that silver swoosh, which is based off, keep in mind, a spoon for that dinner plate. So something, else that we got right there. But that's my early on resale prediction for these, where I think they will probably be ending up, where they'll resell. And yeah, I mean, that's really what I can say. And also, don't forget, bigger sizes will do better. You can see 13, 12, like that's just how it is, or the really small ones, because they're just harder to find. There's not as many of them made. It's like the start and end of the shoe tree, so it's what you should expect, you know what I mean? But that's everything I can say, and I guess it's just because 5.5 really doesn't exist like that. Very, very few of them. I mean, yeah, not even one listed for here, so that's probably why that is for this pair. Yeah, it's probably like 5 of them, so that's what I'll leave it at. In my early on prediction for this pair, again, I said 130, 160. Over time, it'll be a $200 shoe. That's going to be a couple years down the line, just because, again, they're probably going to do a decent amount of these. It seems like just based off Asia stock, these are pretty generally available. Some of the smaller sizes were even sitting, so that just kind of lets you know, like, okay, maybe these will do good, but it's not going to be like an insane flip, you know what I mean? So that's why I'll leave it at. Anybody needs them early, make sure you guys join in Resell Vision, or hit me on my Instagram, 7 through 13. Let me know. I might have a 6.5 too. Just let me know. I got 7 through 13, 100%. So check us out down below. You can see some of the undermarket sneakers we've been doing recently. Some people winning those. Some of the ones we did last night, day before. We do them every single day. We got more we're going to be dropping tonight. So make sure you guys check it out, and you can see some of those deals this week. You can secure your pair of Escargots early. Do not miss out on your chance to do that. OG all with everything. And yeah, you can check out my Instagrams too. You can hit me up here if you need a pair of Escargots. If you're not going to get in Resell Vision, then hey, hit me up here. I got you. And just let me know what you think about this SB Dunk Low. And yeah, again, stay in the loop for any content I post here. Check this out down below. Subscribe, like. I was trying to 200 likes on this video. Getting all the normal stuff out of the way that we say here in the outro. And yeah, I'm just interested. Let me know your thoughts on what we got going on with this pair. It's kind of funky, a little bit different. It's not like something crazy, but it's nice, you know what I mean? For a GR pair, I think these are pretty cool. I think they're pretty well done. So that's my personal thoughts on it, you know what I mean? So I'm T. Thank you guys. Let me know your thoughts again on the Escargots. Cop for me. And I didn't even end my screen recording, so let me do that right now. I'm T. Just ended that. And I will catch you all in the next video tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be discussing White Thunder stock numbers and more. So hope to see you all there. Don't miss out on it. See you tomorrow. Peace.